Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove a site on cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, to remove a site, it's relatively easy. You just need to back it up and remove all the site's files, which you can easily do through the cPanel file manager. Now, I'll be using this community forum post simply to explain it to you guys because I don't have access to cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, again, what you need to do is back up your files and then delete them. And the way that you back these up, you just need to go into your file manager, and then once you're there, you just need to navigate to your public HTML folder, since that is what's going to store your website. This is usually the main page or the main directory of all your websites, and just go into it, then click select all and click compress, and then save the archive anywhere on your PC, wherever you would like. And then once you're done compressing them and downloading the zip file, you need to delete all the other files in public HTML, or you can leave CGI bin if you actually need it. However, pretty much just select all and delete all of the files in public HTML. This will delete your site fully, and then you can add your own files back in if you want to. You can add whichever files you want. This specific person is asking how to switch from a PHP site into a WordPress site. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And it's as simple as that, really. Nothing else to do. You can create a full backup through cPanel. You can back it up manually like this, and you can use whichever method you want. And it's just important that you delete all the files after you save them. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.